Good day. This is Bob speaking to you from my farm in the Annapolis Valley of Nova Scotia. This is part 5 of my Bluenose build from scratch. I'm not going to build today, really. I just wanted to explain to you how it is I get the wood for this model. I haven't bought anything. I was very fortunate. Some family members had a project on, and they got the planking for their project, which wasn't a model build, but they got it and didn't want it. They abandoned their project, so they gave it to me. I think I've got enough raw planking wood, which is eastern white cedar, to plank 500 of these little Bluenose models. The problem is I have to cut it. I'm going to show you how it comes and how it came to me, and you can appreciate some of the problems that I'm running up against. This is it here. This is about 32 inches long. When I got it, there was 8 feet length of it, and it's about 4 inches wide. Now I'm going to have planking that's 3/16 of an inch, 3/16 of an inch wide, you know. So I have to rip this, but as you can see, it's actually 1/16 inches thick, and there are 8 what I guess they call them sheets here, held together by these straps. I can't cut one sheet of this at a time because it's too flimsy. It chatters. I can't get a constant thickness with it. So what I have to do is make this into a solid plank, rip it, and then take it apart. The way I do this, I've experimented with it and it does work, but it takes quite a while, and I guess maybe it's a little bit dangerous. So I go very slowly, very carefully with it. I squared the end here, and it's square along here. So what I have to do to make this into a nice solid plank is, again, use my hot glue gun. First thing I do is I coat the butt end with hot glue. Hope I've got enough here to do it. Yeah, I think I do. There. That's pretty good. I think I got all the boards on that butt end. I was kind of careful not to go over the front of it here, or the edge of the plank. I'm going to turn around, carefully do the other end. So it's not solid yet by any means, but pretty good. Whoop, I'm dripping. I can't let it do that. So I'm inside the house. If I get this all over the place, I'm in trouble. Whoops. I should have clamped this, I suppose, before I tried to do this. Now, because the strapping is here, and at this point, I don't want to release that strapping, but I can't put hot glue along here, because when I put it up against the fence of my saw, that hot glue has a has a resistance, and it's difficult to push the plank through. So what I'm going to do, I hope that's hardened up pretty good there. I think it has. What I'm going to do is lift. See which one's square. This is the square edge here. I'm going to separate them like like that. See, that wood's very flimsy, I guess you'd say. So what I think I can do is just kind of open that up a little bit. I hope you can see this. I don't know if you're in the shot or not. And squirt the hot glue down in between. Now, as luck would have it, I'm running out of hot glue, so I'm going to have to shut off and load up again. Okay, I got it here. Load up again. Sorry about that. Should have taken notice of that. Okay, that gave that first one a pretty good chance to dry there. So what I'll do now is open up the next one. There it is there. Squirt some glue in. Let it come together. And I'll just continue down the stack until I've got a good bead of glue along each one. Now I'm not going the whole length by any means. I don't have to do that. All I have to do is keep it from flopping around. Keep it from chattering as I do the cuts. I may be putting too much in there. There we go. So now I've got more or less a solid board. So I can run that through my my table saw. This is a square edge, pretty square anyway, and see if I can get some strips 3/16 inches wide from that plank. Okay, I'll show you it next time when I come back. I'm back here just for a couple of seconds.
Gotcha.
This is what I come up with. This is the rough cuts. I hate doing it.
Where the hell's it gone?
My table saw is good, but I'm not. And you see they're still hooked together on the ends. Now there, you can see the scorch marks from my saw and the saw cuts.
How long will it take to get it back online?
Apart. I'm going to have to sand that, get those scorch marks out. And it goes a little feathery as well, so I got to get that off too. But I'm going to leave it in one section to do the majority of the sanding. I've got a little detail sander in the shop there. Tomorrow or sometime I'll clean these up, and I'm going to start by planking the deck. I'm not going to do the hollow. So I thought you might wonder how I got that plank in there. That's how I got it. Thanks for watching. See you later.